This is Tunisia, rich in culture, innovation, and prosperity. The goal behind this project is majorly to achieve 4 things. The first one is to identify new markets for founders to expand to. Secondly, to identify new markets for investors to deploy capital to. Thirdly, to identify new regions across Africa for digital nomads that are looking to relocate. And lastly, to build a bridge between Nigeria, my home country, and other countries across the continent. Tunisia is a hidden gem, a thriving tech ecosystem that has given birth to some of the most remarkable tech innovation on the continent. Did you know that Tunisia was the first to adopt a Startup Act and has also given birth to 2 of the largest tech exits on the continent, which are InstaDeep and Expensia? I'm really excited to share with you all my findings from Tunisia, so let's get right into the video. I'm live in Tunis, Tunisia for the first time for the Tunisia Ecosystem Week, and I'm here with Mark of Dream VC. Mark is one of the co-founders and co-CEOs at Dream VC and also one of the co-organizers of the Tunisia Ecosystem Week. Over to you, Mark.
All right, hello guys. Welcome to the Tunisia Ecosystem Week. My name is Mark. I'm one of the co-founders and co-CEO at Dream VC. I'm really excited for everyone to be here. For us, it's a big event. It's the very first ecosystem event that we've ever done on such a scale.
I'm Cindy. I'm one of the co-CEOs of Dream VC, and I'm super excited to be in Tunisia with everyone else. This has been an event that we have been preparing for several months. We are now here and super excited to kick off the first day, and yeah, excited to really put Tunisia on the map and have more people learn about the exciting opportunities that are here.
Really excited to have you. I mean, Tunisia Ecosystem Week has been madness. We've been organizing this for more than 6 months. Happy to have more than 75 people in the room, partners, everybody all together under the same room, and it is nothing but fascinating, telling them about my country and my ecosystem.
Startup Tunisia aims to make Tunisia a friendly environment for startups, for innovators, to make them grow, to permit them, to support them in the growth endeavor journey in our region, which is Mediterranean shores, Africa, and the Middle East.
This event, hosted by the incredible Sarah, was a gathering of VCs, visionaries, entrepreneurs, and change makers determined to spotlight Tunisia's untapped potential.
Hi, my name is Yunus Ibrahim. I'm a venture builder at 54 Collective, and I'm here live at the Tunisian Ecosystem Week.
Hi, my name is Salma Bardedi. I am ecosystem builder in Tunisia. I used to be ecosystem director implementing Startup Act. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very lucky to have this event, to gather and to have everyone, all the ecosystem builders from Africa, all together to discuss, exchange ideas, and to build bridges.
Hi everyone, my name is Shisobim. I'm from Nigeria and I currently live in Portugal. I work in operations for a search fund, so just PE but smaller. And this is my first time in Tunisia, and we are having such amazing conversations around the Tunisian ecosystem. There's been very insightful panel discussions, and then there's a lot of information around why this ecosystem brought the largest exit on the continent. It's a great place to build a startup. There's excellent government support and there's excellent ecosystem support, and come to Tunisia.
My name is Amini. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Dabshi. Dabshi is a peer-to-peer fashion marketplace for people who are looking to revamp their wardrobes. And when I say people, it means like more than 10% of the Tunisian population are having an account on Dabshi. So we're having an application, a website, and we are operating as the trusted third party between buyers and sellers.
This is Tunisia.
This is Tunisia.
This is Tunisia. I love it.
This is Tunisia.
This is Tunisia. This is Tunisia.
My journey then took me to Bako Motors, where I met an incredible man, Boubacar, the CEO of Bako Motors. Bako Motors, Tunisia's first electric and solar vehicles manufactured here in Tunis.
Bako Motors are pioneers in manufacturing solar electric vehicles designed for micro-mobility and last-mile delivery across Africa. Their mission is to democratize sustainable transportation and make eco-friendly mobility accessible to all.
Welcome at Bako Motors. Bako Motors is an African electric vehicle manufacturer. We are manufacturing about 1,000 vehicles a year, and we are based in France, Saudi Arabia, and Tunisia.
All right, so in the Bako vehicle, I can see we have air conditioning, the AC, the fan, and the heating for the windshield. We also have automatic gearbox. You can change it from drive to neutral, and then of course reverse if you want to reverse. I can also change to eco mode. Okay, so I turn the Bako motor from here. Wow, this is awesome. Yeah, I'm in the Bako electric solar cars here in Tunis, and I'm having the time of my life, baby. I had a great time driving this. Smooth ride, really impressive, and I loved the experience.
I visited WaterSec, a company at the forefront of tackling water security in Tunisia.
I'm here with Zube at INSAT, a university that incubates WaterSec.
Welcome to INSAT and welcome to our lab, which is also hosted in our university. And yeah, we are lucky to have our lab here. You see the vibe, the nice weather. Yeah, welcome again.
I'm Mohammed Gimbri, a co-founder of WaterSec. I'm charged on hardware development. In WaterSec, we engineered an IoT device that keeps tracking your water consumption in real time. We provide to the end user the possibility to check his history, to generate reports, and also to be notified about an abnormal behavior of water consumption.
WaterSec is not only transforming lives, but also ensuring a more sustainable future. Next stop was Dabchi. A female-led fashion resale platform empowering sustainable consumption and redefining e-commerce in the region.
I'm Farah Bougarra. I'm the marketing manager of Dabchi for 3 years now. Dabchi is a fashion second-hand marketplace. It's essentially for women, kids, and luxury items. We're basically the intermediate between the sellers and the buyers. We've been on the market for 8 years now and on the Egyptian market for 1 year. And we've had in Tunisia, for example, over 1,300,000 users and over 130,000 users in Egypt.
Being a marketplace, Dabchi functions as a social network where users can create profiles, share their personal styles, and engage with others by following, commenting, and posting stories linked to their listed items.
Dabchi!
Every tech ecosystem has its unique story of perseverance and resilience, and one that really caught my attention while I was in Tunisia was that of John Jang, a friend of mine that I met during my visit, who happened to be a medical doctor by profession, who then went through all the years of training to become a medical doctor and chose to become a Catholic priest based on his background and of course family beliefs. John went through all the years of becoming a Catholic priest and then decided that he wanted to be a tech startup founder.
So the launch of the startup happened pretty much very soon after its founding. So it all happened here. This was really the birthplace and really the trial of our original products here in Tunisia. But the market, because we were a digital product, we were able to bring in people in terms of our users from all around the world. And originally it started in Tunisia, But very soon, within a year, we were already bringing in people from around the world to use our product and to see if it's helpful for them for learning the languages that they were looking to learn. And yeah, eventually we needed to see if we could appeal to businesses or institutions outside of Tunisia as well.
Why do you think Tunisia is the right place to stay at this time and build your company?
Well, I think in terms of developing a company, it's all about the team. And my co-founder and the team that we have, I think the Tunisian population, I don't know if it's statistical or if it's actually correct, but I think I perceive a very high intelligence among the people here. I'm not sure if it's to do with the education system or if it's something natural or if it's the environment otherwise, but the people here are very smart. It's a very welcoming place. Foreigners feel very welcome, and the opportunities here in terms of networking, building a team, it's really open to foreigners. And in terms of my relationship with the accelerators and even our investors, it really came through my presence here. And part of that is because my co-founder was in Dubai and he met our investors, and you know, the Middle East and North Africa, the MENA region, many investors invest into this region, and Tunisia is part of that. So we were able to receive some funding because we were in Tunisia and they were looking for portfolio companies in Tunisia to support.
Thanks,
Get to see it.
Thanks for having me, John.
My exploration continued with visits to hubs and startup support organizations such as the Dot Hub and Open Startups International. These organizations are responsible for nurturing startups and also driving collaboration within the Tunisian tech ecosystem.
Hi, I'm Zach. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Open Startup International, and we're an African NGO trying to support entrepreneurs and ecosystems evolve. Basically, we do it through different programs, going from ideation to seed investment readiness, and we also do activities to support ecosystems when it comes to training coaches, training business angels, and basically running events to showcase what ecosystems are doing.
I also had the opportunity to speak to an award-winning student, Mokhtar Forti, who has shown interest in building a resilient and innovative solution within the tech ecosystem. Hear his perspectives.
Hello, this is Mokhtar Forti, a 21 years old student here in Tunisia, and I'm actually a junior student at Tunis Business School. I'm also a startup founder, so my startup is Crookie, with the name of Crookie, and we are working towards a certain democracy in the educational sector here in Tunisia. So the journey started when one of my colleagues and we were having a discussion about how to launch a startup that has not only a certain financial and economic impact, but also how to do it for a purpose and how to create a certain impact on the whole educational industry here in Tunis. So we started brainstorming it. It was really inspiring since we got a lot of experiences with extracurricular activities for our university, and our past experiences have influenced our decision in order to launch finally our startup. I'm very, very proud to announce that we are pretty well in terms of traction, and it's been a hell of a ride. And here is it. My message, I want to say that launching a startup finally is a personal decision. It's a hard decision to take, but it's worth every shot. Because the journey in itself has a lot of learnings, has a lot of challenges, and so far it's shaping not only me, not only my colleagues, not only my teammates, but also the students and the clients we are dealing with, and the whole stakeholders that are engaged within our ecosystem. So here is it. Thank you.
I had the opportunity to visit the local markets where trade happens with the vibrant energy of the vendors. I couldn't live without tasting some authentic Tunisian cuisine. The flavors were rich, bold, and unforgettable. And to top it all off, I explored some of Tunisia's breathtaking historical sites where the past seamlessly blends with the present, offering a deeper understanding of this incredible nation. My visits wouldn't have been possible without the incredible support of Khalid, who was gracious enough to guide me throughout my stay. From the insightful conversations to the hidden gems in the ecosystem, Khalid's guidance truly made this journey truly unforgettable. My visit to Tunisia was nothing short of remarkable. From attending the Tunisia Ecosystem Week to visiting remarkable companies like Bako Motors, WaterSec, and also visiting hubs like the Dot Hub and startup support organizations like Open Startup International. I had a truly amazing time connecting with ecosystem builders and, of course, experiencing the rich history and culture in Tunisia. Tunisia's ecosystem is more than just tech. It's a community built on resilience, collaboration, and a shared vision for the future. This thriving environment of entrepreneurs, students, and dreamers is redefining possibilities not just for Tunisia, but for Africa and beyond. As I look back on this journey, I'm reminded of the incredible potential of ecosystems like this, where innovation meets culture and ambition knows no bounds. Tunisia truly left a lasting impression on me, and I'm looking forward to visiting my next tech destination.